Hi, welcome to my piano channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to spice up your chord progressions you may use for accompaniment of your songs. So let's say you have a C major and you play it like this in root position. You know it already. Then you go to G, A, F, and you start over with C. So let's do something with the right hand. Go in root position, for example, this C major. And with the index finger, you have usually the third. You can lower it a whole step, moving your index down, one white key. It's beautiful, no? It's a tension. Small tension, open sound, gets released. With the left hand, play octaves in the bass. And you can do the same with your index, going a half tone up with the third. It's an even stronger tension and release. And again with the bass. So now do something with the left hand. So usually I play the bass with two notes, an octave, a lower C and a little bit upper. But when I play here the 9th and the 10th, I only use my thumb. I don't play the tune with the pinky anymore because I want to keep the sound clear, not too muddy. And this works for all your chords. Sus2, root position, Sus4. Root position, Sus2, Sus4. Root position, Sus2, and Sus4. I use the pedal. When I change the chord, I put up the pedal. Nice, no?